Hi there, my name is John Lee. I'm master student of UCL, University College London, and I've just submitted my dissertation last Friday. So yes, now I'm willing to teach something about Korean languages and methods for primary, secondary, or GCSE level. So this is the quick video about how I teach you and how I can interact with you. First of all, Korean, my language, my mother tongue. Korean is like we have same alphabet like English, so it's very easy for you to pronunciate and to understand how the language is structured and it is formed for you to pronunciate. So let's say about hi, hello in Korea is 안녕, 안녕. In case of English, hello is one full word, but in Korea, 안녕 is two separate combinations of alphabet. So this is Korean alphabet. So this is like the sound of g, n, d, r, m, b, s, j, ch, k, t, p, h. So in Korea it's very difficult to pronunciate l sound because in English there is L sound and R sound. I'm still not. It's not still easy for me to pronounce it. Ro. Yeah, but this is l. And also here, p. This is also similar to the P sound, but in English there is f. So actually, for normal Korean, it's not easy to pronounce it ru and f because we don't have such a sound. But other languages, g is like g, n is an, d is d, m is m, and b is another. Here also we have b sound and v sound. S, o, z. Z is like J, ch is like ch sound, k is K, t is t sound, h is h, H sound. So what is missing here? Yes, ya, yo, yo, oo is like similar to or oo. You is also you. I don't think there is sound in English. It's like no, it's you. Season, no. Let's find it. Is e, like that. So this is all. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 14 plus 아야, 어여, 오요, 우유, 우이. 4, 6, 8, 10. 24 alphabet. Yoo-hoo. So when you say hello, hi, in Korea we can say ư, a, nư, 느, 여, 안녕. So this is saying like this. When you say hello, you have to remember hello when you have to spell it. hello. hi. And 안녕, we have to remember this. 안녕, like 느, 안, 느, 여, 녕. So it's like 안녕. It's easy, right? So I think Korean is also very one of the most scientific alphabet. So it's a little bit difficult for you to remember which letter is for which sound, but when you learn and repeatedly know the word and pronounce it, and you can naturally understand how to spell it, how to pronounce it, how to write it, how to read it. So it's very easy for you when you are familiar with something like some Korean songs, K-pop, or dramas and movies. It's better for you to listen and understand the language style. How we can say like nice to meet you. Normally there is no such a sentence, such a communication like nice to meet you. No, we have. 처음 뵙겠습니다. This is nice to meet you, but it is more textbook level. So just 안녕. 안녕 is okay. I want to teach everything now, but yeah, time is not allowed to do so. So let's see later at the tutorial. My name is John Lee. See you later.